Hi, as you may know, we have published a book about React for Rails and Ruby programmers, and it's written by Martin and Robert. And we just released a free chapter from this book. It's more than 20 pages, and it's, I think, the most important part of understanding React. And believe me, I'm also one of the people who is learning React. I'm not the author of the books. I'm learning React by reading this book. And this chapter is like the most important one, the meat of the whole book. It's about the anatomy of the React component. So thanks to this chapter, which is free, you can understand the most important parts: what is state, what is property, what is the render method. And I can tell you that at first it sounds a bit complicated when you learn React, but once you understand the structure, then you realize that React is actually the observer pattern implemented in a nice way, in a very performant way. So this chapter will explain you what's the state, why it's important. There are some examples for different kind of situation, how to set the initial state of a component, how to maintain the state during the life cycle, how to pass parameters to the component. So, and also we're using the builder syntax here. We'll jump to JSX in a second. What's the difference between stateless components and stateful components, default properties. So it's all here, and also how to have how to create the tree of components. That's also here. Yeah, and the render method, as you may probably already know, this is the method that is most important for each component, so it's always there. We also show how to split your components into smaller methods and so on. And also, this is a very controversial topic. Many people discuss whether to use JSX with CoffeeScripts or not. So we've chosen not to go there, but in this chapter we heavily explain what is JSX and how to use it, how to map between JSX and CoffeeScript in both directions. So you can learn a lot from that. And yeah, and it's all available. So there will be a link in the description of this video. You can click and just download the PDF. So I hope you will learn from it. So enjoy the read and learn React. It's really great. There's so many things about React that are available to you once you know it, that I think it's worth learning. At Arkansas, I think every project now has the React frontend. Thanks.